Planning, how much longer do you need?
Testing, all right. This is the first of us to leave.
Roger, I'm going to put the
trip.
vehicle onto the runway. They're
Super nervous. Going to not record for a bit. And then
otherwise, I can hold them off if you're
get back to it.
ready to go here pretty quick.
See you soon.
023.
Our discussion, Mike Zulu Papa.
Mike Zulu Papa, tire traffic a mile and a half north of the Cloverdale racetrack, southbound, type unknown, 2000 and verified.
Mike Zulu Papa, right in traffic.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey tower, change on our frequency.
It's changing en route, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. There's 510. Roger. Victoria Terminal, Papa Whiskey Whiskey is with you.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Victoria Terminal, squawk ident, standby. Airspur 510, contact Vancouver Center, 133.7, good day.
33.7, Airspur 510.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey identified, go ahead, request.
Apologies, I'll make this call later on. I'll go en route for now, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Okay, radar service terminates, have a good day.
Thank you, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. Victoria Terminal is Piper Cold Golf, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Victoria Terminal, squawk ident, go ahead.
Vancouver Terminal, Papa Whiskey Whiskey is about 2 miles east, or 3 miles east of White Rock at 2200, requesting to climb to 4500 to cross the strait.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey identified, I'll have higher for you shortly, just maintain 2500 for now.
Understood, thank you, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, climb 4500.
4500, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, you can proceed via Cherry Point, then East Point.
Cherry Point, then East Point, thank you, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Under.
Alrighty, this is going to be the furthest over the water on the entire trip. Going from the mainland of BC to Vancouver Island.
Welcome with 3115, cross DAX at 4,000 or above, cleared RNAV X-ray runway 09 approach.
Okay, cross DAX at 4,000 or above, cleared the RNAV X-ray 09, Encore 3115.
Roger.
Wait, the accent. 4,500 feet. We're almost to the point of no return here over the water. This is a boat down there. They would get me if something went wrong. Hopefully.
Terminal Golf Georgia Hotel through 1,100.
Golf Juliet Hotel, Victoria Terminal identified. Climb 7,000.
7,000 Golf Georgia Hotel.
Roger.
Victoria Terminal, Cessna Romeo Tango November at 7,600, requesting 10,000.
Juliet Hotel, contact Vancouver Center, 135.32.
3532, Golf Georgia Hotel, thanks.
Roger. Papa Whiskey Whiskey, you're reading a little high on your mode C. Verify you're at 4,500 feet. There's traffic approaching and there are 5,000.
Understood, yeah, 4,500. Can you confirm the altimeter setting, please?
Victoria altimeter is 3024.
Yeah, 3024. What's my reading, Papa Whiskey Whiskey?
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Roger. Can you just descend a little bit, descend down a couple hundred feet for me?
Understood, Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Tango Yankee Golf, watch for traffic. There's a Piper 12 o'clock and 3 miles opposite direction, 4,500 feet.
Looking for traffic, Tango Yankee Golf.
Tango Yankee Golf, Roger, contact Victoria Terminal 132.7.
132.7, Tango Yankee Golf.
RV, Juliet Zulu India, Victoria Terminal, go ahead now.
Good morning, Golf Sierra Diaz, Ladysmith would like to climb 6-5 for Courtney, please.
Juliet Zulu India, identified 6,500 is approved. The Nanaimo altimeter 3023.
Go to 6-5, thanks for Joe Diaz.
Welcome with 3115, contact Victoria Tower 1197.
Quarter Tower 197, good day, Anchor 3115.
Good day. Romeo Town, remember Victoria Terminal, squawk at N1 altitude to the drop.
Hi, Dan, currently at 9,000, requesting 10,000, full here, tagging them over.
Romeo Town, remember Roger, 10,000 is approved, advise 1 minute prior to the drop.
Advise you 1 minute prior to the drop, full here, tagging them over.
Roger. Channel 705, contact Victoria Terminal, correction, contact Vancouver Center, 127.902.
Okay, 792, thanks for your help, 10+705.
Roger.
Victoria Terminal, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. Am I okay to descend to 3,000 to get under some clouds?
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, yeah, affirmative, sir. Remain clear cloud. Go ahead and start the descent. Let me know if you're going to need lower than 3,000, please.
Understood, thank you. Papa Whiskey Whiskey.
Victoria, well, okay, tagging them over, ready to drop in 1 minute.
Romeo Town, remember, you can send the jumpers away and go ahead and make the descent.
Okay, tagging them over, Roger.
Jumpers. Got to weave through some clouds here. Oh. Take number 1. Hold the mixture on my carb heat. Oh. Get that out of the way, nervous.
So I figured we should pause here for a second to see what I just did there. Essentially, if you don't know, the mixture is how you turn off the plane. So without thinking, I thought I was reaching down for the carb heat, thinking I was right around clouds, and I pulled the engine off, essentially. I pulled the fuel, I cut off the fuel in the flight there, and that's why you saw that reaction. So as you can see, I was very nervous, and I'm glad to get through that first mistake so early. Here, we'll replay it for you again, just so you can see what happens now that you know what that was.
Gotta weave through some clouds here. Victoria Terminal, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. I might need to try 2,000.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, contact Victoria Tower 119.1 for clearance into their control zone. So long.
Understood, 119.1, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. Victoria Tower, this is Piper Colt Golf, Papa Whiskey Whiskey. I'm just at 2,900 feet at the south end of Saturn Island, requesting to come in your airspace at 2,000 feet.
Papa Whiskey Whiskey, Victoria Tower, squawk out in, altimeter 3023, and which direction would you like?
Headed west along the VFR route.
Papa Whiskey Tower, you are identified and sent down to 2000 westbound along the toward Galliano Island as approved.
Understood, 2000 along the route. Thank you, Papa Whiskey. Alrighty. We're okay. We're alive. Weather looks pretty good. Probably go right to Tofino if I wanted to. It's quiet out here. Alrighty. Today is the first day of the adventure, the coast-to-coast adventure. I almost didn't get to leave today. The cloud cover in Tofino looks too low. So, oh, a little turbulence here. I don't think I'm going to get to Tofino, but there's a place.
Delta X-ray Charlie, radio service terminate, put over.
Delta X-ray Charlie.
There's a place just east of Tofino called Qualicum Beach. That's not where I'm going. Where am I going? And then there's a place west of that. I'm going through Qualicum Beach to Port Alberni. A lot of times it just has to do with the weather, and I'm just going to enjoy the views, actually. We'll talk later. Oh, hello, hello. I don't think I smiled today yet. Too nervous. This is how I'd be if I did my flight test. With sweat. Sweating. Alright, I'm almost in Port Alberni. I'm going to land and then kind of recap what I'm thinking and maybe still try and make it to Tofino today. I know they can camp there. I didn't call Port Alberni. We'll see what's possible today. And tomorrow's supposed to be real rainy, so I got to get my tent all set up so I can get stay dry. But yeah. Okay. Oh, slow down here. It's bumpy. All right. Well, it's pretty over here. Port Alberni traffic. It's Piper Golf Papa Whiskey. I'm about 2 miles east of the airport. I'm going to cross overhead 1,800 feet from east to west, and then join the circuit. Windy. Port Alberni traffic. This is Piper Golf Papa Whiskey. I'm just crossing over midfield from east to west at 1,900 feet. See what I can see here. I have my glasses. I think you should point that way. I'll teardrop on. I'll land 1-2. Windy. There you go.
All right, so I got fuel here in Port Alberni. I should do some maps and stuff to show you, but it feels a little pressure and nervous on the first leg here, so I'll get better. I just stopped at the flying club, and it's just some random guy who works for some other company sitting in there, so he wasn't very helpful, but he was nice. He was excited for the journey. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this apple and then look at the weather to see if I can make it to Tofino today, because I'd like to. But if not, I know I have here, and it's fairly clear here, so I could always park here. All right, cheers.